So over here we're gonna make salsa for tomorrow. Chile verde, some tomatillos, some jalapenos, some onions, cilantro, and garlic. So this right here is gonna get toasted. This is gonna get toasted. This is gonna get toasted. This is gonna get toasted. Oh, this on the stove. So they're all kind of brown on the outside, not burnt but cooked throughout. And then we're gonna throw them in the blender, and then add the cilantro at the end. And then typically for this, I'll add water little by little, but salt I definitely do last. Just I like to get all this in there and then do the salt last because the salt is what makes everything pop up. I just kind of want to make sure that I don't overdo the salt. Just want it to be enough. So anyways, this is my ingredients for salsa for chile verde.